fix your dizziness for good. Feeling dizzy when you turn your head, getting out of bed, feel like riding a roller coaster? You are not alone and you are not stuck with it. Vertigo and dizziness can be terrifying. You avoid driving. You are scared to walk alone. Sometimes even turning in bed causes the world to spin. I am Pankaj Mudgal, a neuro and vestibular rehab physiotherapist with over a decade of experience. I specialize in treating people with vertigo, concussion, and unexplained balance issues. Treatment plan and exercises. At our clinic, we first identify if your issues is due to BPPV, benign proximal positional vertigo, vestibular hypofunction, concussion, inner ear inflammation. Then we guide you through a please maneuver for BPPV repositioning. Case stabilization exercises. Stare at a target while moving your head. Balance training, that is standing on unstable surfaces. Neck mobility exercises if there is tension-related dizziness. I want to tell you a little story. One client came in terrified to walk downstairs. Within 3 sessions of gaze stabilization and balance training, her confidence came back, and so did her freedom. Is vestibular rehab just about balance? It is about training your brain to trust your body again. Balance, vision, and posture all play a role. If dizziness is ruling your life, let's fix it naturally and permanently. Book your vestibular consultant today.